Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a beautifully restored 1991 Ford Mustang LX notchback. Very desirable car. These were desirable back then and kind of hard to find. So to find one in this condition is pretty rare, and it is done. It's got a GT40 crate motor in it. About 2,000 miles on this build. Finished in twilight blue metallic, just gleaming all the way around. 17-inch chrome wheels, kind of look like Cobra wheels. Monster brakes all the way around. Tinted windows, H&R springs, BBK headers leading to dual exhaust. Sounds really evil. Got Nittos in the back. I think those are 275s. Brand new tires up front too. Super clean car. Man, look at the brakes on this thing. Monsters. Yeah, 275 40s. That's a tread. Headlights, corners, markers. Steel cowl hood. Cintimax intake. Ford racing wires. 75mm throttle body. Car's rowdy. Adjustable shocks up front. HVC blaster coil. MSD. Power steering, power brakes, SVE aluminum radiator, aluminum catch can, electric fan. These are long tube headers. For BBK, they sound fantastic. Edelbrock 75mm. Cowl body. Huge sway bar. H&R springs. It's a super clean, nice build. Gorgeous, super straight body. Got Nittos up front too. Paint's pretty fresh. Five-speed manual. Also 5-lug wheels. Converted. Custom stereo. Born an AC car, born a 5.0. Rear seat has been removed. Nice headliner. Corbeau racing seats. Fired up. Rear's been done. Got 355 gears. Start. Beautiful paint. No rust, no issues. Car is very rowdy, very fast, done right. It's a steel cowl hood. Something about it, 2.5-inch cowl on that. Cars are really coming up in value too. It's getting harder and harder to find. Harness belts. There's 3,628 miles on the build. Woo. First competition shifter. White knob. Cold start. Takes a little while to warm up. See right there by the temp gauge. No cracks in the dash. It's cold here today, about 30-something degrees. This car runs nice and straight, super fast. It almost needs a drag radial on the back. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com.